Hey class 5 and 4, this is English Bulk and today we will going to learn about prepositions. Prepositions, as the name symbolizes, it's somewhat how related with the position. So prepositions are the words that relate us, a subject with the object, a noun with another noun. For example, if I said you that the cat, the table, the cat, the table, and if I just add it on, the cat under the table is under the table, in the box, under, in. These are the words that tell us about the position of noun or pronoun. So these words are called prepositions. Now sometimes you get confused that at जो है वो एक ऐसा preposition है. It can be preposition of place, time and many other things. So in this video we are going to learn about the kinds of prepositions. They may be the preposition of place, time and manner, and we just also get to know, I think after this video you are definitely going to be know error free answers of all the prepositions. So shall we go?
Yeah.
So now let's learn about prepositions. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show how the noun or pronoun stands in relation to another word in a sentence. They just tell the relation, position, and let's know more. So, Roger sat at his desk. So, what does the word at here stand? Relationship in terms of place with sat and desk. Sat, where he sat? On the desk, at desk. The cat lay on the mat. The word on here comes in relationship in terms of place of lay and mat. Where the cat lay? On the mat. On. So it's a preposition of place. The ball is under the table. The word under here comes in the relationship in terms of place of ball is and table. So it's a preposition of place. So at, on, under are the prepositions of place. They tell us noun or a pronoun's relationship with another word in terms of place. They answer us where. Preposition of movement. She went to the park. So here the word to is a preposition. Relationship in terms of direction. Went, where she went? To the park. To. So to is the preposition of movement. The bird flew through the door. The word through में से होकर निकल गया है ना, किसी चीज़ के अंदर से. Relationship in terms of movement of the flew, where flew? From door. James drove from his house to the coffee shop. From, to. These are the preposition of movement. From where he, from and to. The word from, movement of one point to another, from one point to another. So into, through, from, to are the preposition of movement and direction. Preposition of movement and direction. ये कोई चीज़ चल रही है, मूव कर रही है, वो हमें बताते हैं. They tell us a noun or a pronoun's relationship with another word in terms of direction or movement. My father will not return until Monday. Now we discuss preposition of time. Monday तक नहीं आएंगे father. Until. So it denotes the time. Relationship in terms of time with return and Monday. They will meet you after 7 o'clock. And if after 7 o'clock, मतलब 7 o'clock के बाद में, it also denotes time. And अगर वो 7 o'clock मिल रहे हैं तो at 7 o'clock. We use at. You must come home before Christmas. So before, it's also a preposition of time. When to come? Before Christmas. So preposition of time जो है हमें आंसर करते हैं of the question when. Relationship in terms of time between come and Christmas. So until, after, before. These are also the prepositions of time. Until जब तक नहीं, after बाद में, before पहले. They tell us noun or pronouns relationship with another word in terms of time. I think you all have understand. And one more thing is there. Don't forget to like and subscribe English Buck. Now, we are just going to discuss preposition of agency, and they are by and with. Two words are there. The dinner has been prepared by Sam. It shows the relationship in terms of agency. She wrote with a chalk. With chalk. Wherever the instrument would be there. कोई instrument है, किसी चीज़ से कर रहे हैं कोई काम, है ना, तो with. और किसके द्वारा हुआ है उसके लिए by. So it shows the relationship in terms of agency. By and with are the prepositions of agency. They tell us a noun or a pronoun's relationship with another word in terms of agency. By मतलब के द्वारा, with. So in this module you learn that a preposition of word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show how the noun or pronoun work. And preposition of agency tell us noun or a pronoun's relationship with another word in terms of agency. And manner tells us how the work is going on.